Good morning, second graders. Today we will start Unit 4. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify the parts of a number sentence. Students will be able to describe the strategy being used to solve an addition sentence. And students will be able to write a number sentence and label its parts. What you will need. You'll need your pencil and your math vocabulary journal. Pause the video if you don't have these and go get them. If you have them, we'll keep on going. Our first word is the word sum. The sum is the answer to an addition problem. In this number sentence, 5 plus 10 equals 15. 15 is the sum. Our second word is addends. The addends are the numbers that we are adding together. In this number sentence, 5 plus 10 equals 15. 5 plus 5 and 10 are the addends. Our next word is regroup. When we regroup, we rearrange or change the formation of a group. Let's take a look at this picture. In this side, we have 3 10s and 15 ones. That equals 45. We regroup 10 ones as 1 10. Now we have 4 10s and 5 ones. Still equals 45. Our last word for today is decompose. When we decompose a number, we separate the number into 2 or more parts. 37 can be decomposed to 30 plus 7. 245 can be decomposed to 200 plus 40 plus 5.